Attorney Ricky Tumutorgo, nagtataguyod ng katotohanan, nakikipaglaban para sa bayan. Nung sinalang na yung unang witness, yung tauhan ng NBI na nagsagawa ng investigasyon doon sa pagbabanta ni Sara. Doon, medyo mahaba na yon. Ang naka-assign na ngayon na private prosecutor na siyang direct examination ang tawag doon. Direct examination. Kasi ang nag-direct examination, kinuha yung direct testimony nung testigo. Itong si Attorney Amando Verhiligutan Jr. Eh ngayon, ito na namang si Narbasa, hindi pa rin tumitigil. Kung paano niya, nagsisimula pa lang si Congressman Lawrence Defensor, inaano niya na kagad, object na siya, ay mas malala dito kay Attorney Ligutan. Bawat salita ni Attorney Ligutan, bawat sabihin, may objection. Ha?
In what particular portion of the subject video did the respondent utter that she already contracted a person to kill the president, the first lady, and the former Speaker of the House of Representatives?
Are you done?
Objection?
Objection, Your Honor.
Wow.
Kindly state objection, counsel for response.
Your Honor, the question is misleading. There was no mention anywhere before that the video mentioned that the killing of the president.
To kill.
Yeah, there's no mention in any testimony earlier. There's no mention that that video.
Your Honor, again, with all respect, the records will bear me out. Bases have been more than complied with. This witness mentioned many times over that the subject of the investigation is the statement of the Vice President that she already contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker. There's no basis for the objection, Your Honor, please.
Your Honor, may I ask for a readback? He was the only party who said that, Your Honor, not
Kindly
the...
use the third party in referring to opposing counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor.
May I ask, Your Honor, for a...
Let the counsel for defense finish his statement.
May I ask, Your Honor, for a reading of the transcript, as the witness, to my recollection, never mentioned that the Vice President did those things.
All right. If I may, Your Honor, please.
Counsel, kindly lay the basis.
Yes, Your Honor, please. Now, Mr. Witness, you said that your office, the NBI, conducted an investigation for a statement made by the Vice President noong Nobyembre 23, taong 2024. Naalala mo yun?
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh. Your Honor, please.
What is the basis of the objection?
Your Honor, it's leading.
Your Honor, please. If I may, Your Honor, please.
You remember. Leading, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor, please, I'm just giving into what the defense wants. The record will bear me out. This witness mentioned so many times over that he investigated the statement of the Vice President uttering that she already contracted a person. The whole nation is listening.
The chair will
Your
make
Honor,
a ruling.
so
The
many
objection-
words leading.
The chair will make a ruling. The objection is overruled. Earlier, chair noted, I have it in my notes, that the question was propounded by counsel with respect to the 11/23/24 incident that was the subject matter of a digital forensic examination by the witness pertaining to the former Vice President. That was the instance, if the counsel will recall, that counsel for the prosecutors asked the witness if he knew who the Vice President was. So the objection is overruled. Witness may answer.
Your Honor, may I state for the record, my objection is on the part of the question where he said that the Vice President hired someone to kill the President, the First Lady, and the Speaker of the House, not on the identification of the Vice President.
Noted. Court already made a ruling. Witness will answer.
Mr. Witness, naalala mo ba yung tanong
Can you repeat the question,
Okay,
sir?
now,
Kindly repeat the question, counsel.
in what particular portion of the subject video in that online media conference of the Vice President did she utter that she already contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, the former Speaker? In what portion?
Objection, Your Honor.
What
Sir,
is the objection?
Your Honor, this honorable court already ruled on this question. The discussion later on was on the leading question made by the prosecutor. If you recall, Your Honor, this honorable court said, prosecutor, please lay the foundation, the basis for your question.
Your Honor, please, if I make a response.
The presiding officer will ask the witness. Mr. Witness, out of the 2 or more so hours of video that you downloaded, do you know if at all the timestamp that pertains to any statements made by the Vice President pertaining to any of the allegations in the articles of impeachment, particularly Article 4, the subject matter of this case, in relation to alleged threats made by her in that video?
Yes, Your Honor, but may I refer to my investigator's note, Your Honor?
You may do so.
Wala nang ginawa itong abogadong ito, objection. Ha? Objection, Your Honor. Kung ano-ano, kahit kaliit-liiting bagay, nag-u-object. Grabe. Matindi mga kabunyog yung abogado na yun ni Sara. Mayabang pa. Mayabang. Hindi talagang ibang klase mga kabunyog. Napanood nyo sigurado ako. Ha? Una doon sa yung photocopy. Dapat daw original. Ay sinabi na rin ni Congressman ni Attorney Ligutan, hindi. May bago na tayong doctrine. Ang photocopy, ano na yan? Okay na yan sa ngayon. May bago na tayong diyan. Tapos yung pati pagsasalita ni Attorney Ligutan na nagpo-post, pati yung mga poses ni Attorney Ligutan, ino-objectan niya. Ino-objectan niya pati yung manner ng pagsasalita. Matindi. Matindi mga kabunyog, mga kababayan. Itong Narbasa na ito. Kaya ang komentaryo ngayon sa social media, si Attorney Objection. Hindi, sa totoo, mga kabunyog, mga kababayan. Totoo naman. Kung ikaw abogado, may nakikita kang dapat objectan, mag-o-object ka. Pero wag naman yung kahit katiting na bagay. Kaliit-liiting bagay, kaliit-liitang bagay, mag-u-object ka. Pati yung manner, yung poses, yung pagpupos, yung pagsasalita ni Atty. Ligutan, kinokomentaryuhan niya, nag-u-object siya. Grabe. Grabe. Ano yan, mga kabunyog, mga kababayan? Siguro 6 na objections yun sa mga sinasabi ni Atty. Ligutan. Ang sabi niya na nga ni Atty. Ligutan, parang ganito, wag muna. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Kumbaga, wag muna. At saka sa totoo lang, objection. Sinabihan na. Linikturahan na ni Atty. Ligutan. Kumbaga ganito, sa ating mga abogado, yung admissibility ng evidence kung tatanggapin o hindi, ino-objectan yan kapag in-offer mo na. Hindi pa naman ino-offer eh. Ipipresent pa lang. Ang rule kasi sa aming mga abogado, ipipresent muna yung mga yung testigo, ebidensya. May time dyan na mag-o-offer ka na ng mga evidence mo. Doon na yan nag-o-object sa admissibility kung tatanggapin o hindi. Ang rule muna, tingnan muna yung ebidensya. Tingnan muna yung testigo, pakinggan muna. Saka na yung objection sa admissibility. Ay dito hindi. Ang una kaagad na inobjekan, wala daw yan sa lista, yung witness na yan. Imagine niyo. Sumunod yung tinatanong ni Atty. Ligutan, na matindi ito, tinatanong ni Atty. Ligutan yung witness. Ano bang statement ni Vice President Sara ang iniimbestigahan mo? Sabi ni yung attorney ni Sara, si Narbasa, objection, vague. Natatawa na lang si Ligutan. Bakit natatawa na lang? Paano naging vague? Paano naging vague yung tanong? Hindi, sa totoo lang. Yung pagpupos ni Attorney Ligutan, inuobjekan, kinokomentaryuhan. Yung pagtanong ni Attorney Ligutan na Mr. Witness, sabi, Mr. Witness, ano bang sinabi o statement ni BP Sara ang inimbestigahan mo? Sabi ni Narbasa, vague. Objection, Your Honor. Vague. So tinatanong ngayon natatawa na lang si Ligutan, bakit vague? Paano naging vague? Ganon din si presiding officer Chis Escudero. Sabi niya, paki-elaborate, bakit vague? Hindi, sa totoo lang. Kaya ang nangyari kay Chis Escudero, laging ang ruling ng presiding officer, objection overruled. Nakailang objection overruled yun eh. Ibig sabihin, hindi sinasang-ayunan ng presiding officer yung objection ni Narbasa. Panggulo lang talaga, mga kabunyog, mga kababayan. Panggulo lang. Kaya doon kanina, ang naging bida kanina, si Attorney Amando Berhil Ligutan, ang daming humanga sa kanya. Ang daming humanga kay Attorney Amando Berhil Ligutan. Sa totoo lang, sa social media ngayon, kung titingnan nyo, bilib na bilib ang mga tao, ang maraming tao kay Attorney Berhil Ligutan, kay Amando Berhil Ligutan. Pero sukang-suka ang mga tao dito kay Narbasa. Mga kabunyog, mga kababayan. Kaya, matindi talaga itong abogadong ito na mga kabunyog, pahiya yung Narbasa na yon. Lahat ng reaksyon sa social media ngayon, negative sa kanya. Negative. Si Ligutan, bida si Ligutan, saludo yung mga tao. Yan. Pero ako, kung tatanungin nyo, yan yung naobserbahan ko dito kay Narbasa at saka kay Ligutan. Okay, mga kabunyog, mga kababayan, lagi kayong sumabaybay sa aking mga talakayan. Araw-araw itong habang sumusulong itong impeachment na ito, lagi akong mag-live para ipaliwanag sa inyo kung anong nangyari. Okay, mga kabunyog, mga kababayan, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay po tayo.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog.